Hey guys, welcome back to another video on Snake Gaming. And today we're using codes, as you can see. So the first code is what is it again? Oh yeah, it is. I've done this one, so it's gonna give you 5 tickets. It's 38217. I've already redeemed it, so we'll give you 5 tickets for that one. And these codes will expire. So that's the first code. It's pretty good. It's 5 tickets. Oh, sorry. And then the second one is capital B O P M A. It's Botmaster. So this will give you 5 tickets too, which is pretty good. Because later in this game you will need tickets. Also, then the third one is Buzz, B-U-Z-Z, and that will give you 5,000 honey, which is good if you're a starter, but I'm not, as you can see. So it's okay. And then the next one is, I don't really know how to pronounce it, but it will give you another 5 tickets, which is pretty decent. And this will give, I will be giving a lot of codes. So I'll just type it, and you guys can redeem it. I don't know how to pronounce it, so E-U-R. So redeem this. I don't know what it is, but it will give you 5 tickets. And these are all the codes in B-Swarm, for a little heads up. So I don't think there's any more unless they made new ones. So then the next one is Crawlers. And I'll give you 5 tickets too. A lot of these are going to give you a lot of tickets, guys. So when you're done, you might have, I don't know, but it will give you a lot. So then the next one is Nectar. Nectar. Yeah. But that's a code, and it will give you 5,000 honey, which is not as good as the 5 tickets, but it's a pretty good code. And then the next one will be, what is it again? Oh yeah, Roof. Sorry guys, these are a lot of codes that I have to keep in my head, so they're pretty. Oh, I've already redeemed it, but I forget what it gives you, but it gives you a lot of OP stuff. Wait, let me think what it gives you. It gives you 5 tickets. It gives you 5 tickets again. And the next code is Wax. 5,000 honey, which is pretty good. Then it's Wink. I already redeemed it. But that, guys, that gives you a lot of stuff like Batman Morph, and it will give you like a lot of stuff. Okay, now this one, it's pretty good if I say. Wait, what? Sorry guys, I made a typo. Sorry guys, I may have typed this code wrong. Oh guys, sorry, this code does not work. I think it just expired. I'm so sorry. But that kind of stinks. Oh, I already redeemed it. Yeah, I think I already redeemed it. Sorry guys, I already redeemed it. So the next one is club. Then B. Okay, so it gives you a festive gift if you're in the club. Guys, I'm not in the club, so I'll just, oh wait, what is this? Ooh, it gives you this. Ooh. Club bean. Yeah, I have to be in the group. I'll be in the group after. So you have to be in the group with Soul P, gives you festive. It's pretty cool. And then there's oh yeah. Wait. It's very long. Secret no space profile so it's gonna be secret profile code. Oh, I did it already, guys, but this will work. So I did it already, but it will give you a bunch of good stuff. Yeah. So then the next, I did this one. It's Wiki Honor. Oh, no space. I did this one, guys. I already redeemed this one. So, guys, this code will give you 10 1 room jelly, a stinger, 10 pineapples, and 2 gum drops. If you're not just doing this So then the next one is Wiki Award Clock. So guys, this will give you whatever that is. Well, 12 times 5. That one's pretty good, even though I don't know what it is. But it's, I guess, pretty good. Okay, now the next one is oh, sorry, not that. 2M favorite. 2M favorite. So this one I already did too. I did a lot of these. But guys, these might be expired while you're doing this. But it'll give you like royal jellies and flag tickets and strawberries and a lot of stuff. But it's really good. So then the next one's Bloxy Boost. Bloxy Boost. I did this one? Yeah, I did. I did this one, guys. But this will give you 5 tickets, a conversation boost, and field boost. So this one's B mine. I think I did this. Yeah, I think I did. B mine. But guys, these codes may expire. Yeah, I did this. So these codes may expire while you're doing them. So don't be like, oh, they're expired. Because at the beginning of the video I said they will expire, but the next one sure. And because 2,500 conversation boost and that, yeah. So the next one's Bloxy Celebration. Bloxy. Okay, so it's Bloxy Celebration. I already did that one. I'm just typing it because for you guys to see it. With that, guys, we'll do it for the video. Make sure to like and subscribe for more codes, and see you on the next one. Bye.